a simple way to create a help desk in Kartra. Oh my gosh, you need this. Kartra has the ability to build help desks. Now in most cases you'd have to spend extra for that, but in Kartra you can do it right there. In this video I'm going to show you a simple way to build a help desk in Kartra and help you build better communication with your prospects and get more sales, and we're starting right now. Hey, JR Fisher here. If you haven't subscribed yet, you got to do so. If you're new to my channel, go down there, click that subscribe button. Once you do that, you got to do one other thing, and that's ring the bell. There's a bell notification right next to that subscribe button. Click that and turn on all notifications. Now if you're new to this channel, I've sold millions of dollars of products online, both physical and digital products. Matter of fact, I've got my branded products on thousands of websites, including Walmart. On this channel I teach you what to do to start, run, and grow your online business so you can start getting real results too. Now I've got a bonus for you. At the end of this video I have an e-commerce course that is absolutely free. It's normally $97, but you can click the link and you can start learning immediately. Okay, let's get on that help desk thing. Before we get started, I want to know, have you used help desk before? Do you know what a help desk is? Put your comments below. I want to hear. Okay, let's get started. Okay, basically what is a help desk? A help desk is a way for your prospects, your customers, people to get in touch with you. Now the cool thing about Kartra is you can install a help desk on any of the pages that people visit, and they can actually type in the question and they can instantly have that question sent to you. What's going to happen is you're going to get an email and it's going to say you have a new help desk ticket. At that point you can actually go to the help desk and answer the person's question. You can use templated answers in there, or you can answer them individually based on their wants and needs. Okay, so like I said, Kartra has this built in, but I feel like I owe it to you to at least go over some of the help desks out there that are paid ones. But why would you want to pay when you can get them for free? But let's look at them. The first one we want to look at is Freshdesk. Now Freshdesk has a whole bunch of different levels to it. Okay, Freshdesk has several different levels. It's got a free one, it's got a $15 one, and that is per agent per month, billed yearly. So you want to read all the fine print on these. The next one is $29 per agent, the next one is $49 per agent, and the next one is $109 per agent. So if you have a lot of people working in your help desk, it can get pretty expensive. The next one I want to talk about is Happyfox. Happyfox, once again, very similar type of setup as Freshdesk. It's $29 a month per agent, $49 per agent, $69 or $89 depending on the level of support that you want to give. The next one we want to look at is Vivantio. Now Vivantio just kind of gives you a starting price here. They say it starts at around $48 per month per user. That's a little vague to me. It says the types of licenses your company needs, the frequent users, shift workers, staff hours, graphical area, selecting concurrent licenses can provide your organization with up to a 60% savings. So there's a lot of stipulations in here, and keep in mind if you're using Kartra there are no stipulations. You can have as many agents as you want. The next one we want to look at here is called ManageEngine Service Desk Plus Review. Now this one here starts off at $995. They say the pros are its comprehensive support for ITIL processes at a competitive price, strong integration with other machine engine solutions. The cons are the workflow and support is limited to the change management process, minimal integration with third-party tools. So bottom line, not a really great solution, I don't think, not when I look at the Kartra one that is absolutely free. Look, I know I'm pushing Kartra a lot, but I really like it. I am affiliate for Kartra, and that's, full disclosure, but it's only because it's really good. I don't really recommend any other softwares at all, but Kartra does so many things, and since it has the built-in help desk, you only have to log into one place. So if you're logging in there and you're making sales pages, you're making your funnels, you're working on your memberships, you've always got your help desk there. And the cool thing is you can put those help desks in your membership. So if somebody's going through one of your courses and they have issues or they have problems, you can immediately be notified about it and help them out. If they have a question about a product and they're on one of your product pages, you can immediately be notified about it and help them out. And the cool thing is, if they're the type of questions that you get over and over and over again, of course you can set up a template, and when you set up the template in there, you can actually just just, click and drop and click and drop and put those templates into the email, and you don't have to worry about typing out the same thing over and over again. So I highly recommend it. They don't have any limitations on agents. I do want to let you know about these other options though for HelpDesk. If you don't want to use Kartra for whatever reason, or maybe you can't use it, not everybody gets approved to use Kartra, then of course you would use one of these other options. Okay, so let's actually go through building a HelpDesk inside of Kartra. The first thing we're going to do is set up your HelpDesk and create the look and feel of it. The next thing we'll do is we'll publish your HelpDesk. Then we're going to set up all the icons in your HelpDesk. We'll also talk about responding to tickets in the HelpDesk. We'll also talk about adding tags to your customers in the HelpDesk. And the last thing is how we can research the customer profiles all within the HelpDesk. Okay, so the Kartra HelpDesk has a knowledge base where they can actually get their questions answered. In addition to that, they can submit a ticket. In addition to that, you can actually have a live HelpDesk if you want. Now, if you get an outside vendor type of HelpDesk, yeah, you can go in and answer questions. But the cool thing about Kartra is since the HelpDesk is built inside Kartra, you can actually look at the customer history as you're answering the questions. Okay, let's get into setting up your HelpDesk, the look and feel of it.
Once you've started creating your HelpDesk in Kartra, the first setup page you'll get to is your HelpDesk page look and feel. On this page, you can choose whether to host your HelpDesk on Kartra or on your own website. If you choose to host in your own site, Kartra will create an embeddable code that, when placed on your page, will create a help pop-up icon. There are several icons to choose from. Next, you can choose a logo or upload a new logo for your HelpDesk, and choose a background color to go behind your logo. And because branding is important, no matter where you host your HelpDesk, you can then customize your marquee image, text, overlay color, and opacity. You can even upload your own custom image that will appear large and proud on your HelpDesk.
Once you've set up your HelpDesk, you can decide if you're going to actually have it on Kartra or if you're going to have it on your own site. If you have a WordPress site, you can actually host that HelpDesk on your website. Now, if you choose to host it on your own site, Kartra will actually create an embeddable code that when placed on your page, it will actually create a help pop-up icon, which is pretty cool. There are several icons to choose from for your HelpDesk. The next thing you can do is choose a logo, or you can upload a logo of your own to the HelpDesk, and you can choose a background color to go behind your logo. You can then customize your marquee image, text, overlay, color, and opacity. You can even upload your own custom image that will appear large and proud on your HelpDesk. Now here's the cool thing. When you use the Kartra HelpDesk, which I mentioned a couple minutes ago, you can actually host it on Kartra or you can host it on your site. So let's figure out what's best for you. Now if you host your HelpDesk in Kartra, one of the big advantages is that you don't even need a website. You don't need a web page. You can actually do it all in Kartra. The next thing that's really helpful is that any edits that you do are automatically live, whereas if you have it on your site, we have to wait and make those changes. I guess the potential downside to using Kartra is actually in the URL, so it'll be yoursite.kartra.net, but outside of that, it works fine. Now, if you choose to actually host your HelpDesk on your own website, that can be done too. It's really simple. Kartra will actually just make the code, you put the code on your particular website, and the upside to that is they're already on your website. It makes it really easy for them to find the HelpDesk. In addition to that, there's the benefit of it's your website and your URL, so they have the look and feel of actually being at your website because they are. Now the downside to actually hosting it on your website is when you make changes in your HelpDesk, you're actually going to have to change that code on your site each time you make those changes. Now the cool thing about the HelpDesk in Kartra is you can actually segregate your audience based on the topics and the categories they're interested in. This can all be done inside of Kartra. In the next section, you can actually set up departments. So you can have different departments for accounting and sales and order processing, whatever you want, it can be routed to that particular department.
When creating a HelpDesk, you will probably want to let your customers select from a variety of topics that they can get help on. Kartra gives you easy to understand options for your customers to navigate your topics. You've got two different ways to segment your HelpDesk for customers to find their way to the correct help that they need. Departments, which are selected from a drop-down when someone creates a new ticket, and products and categories in the wiki setup process. On the second step of the help desk setup, called Departments, you can add as many different departments as you want. Each department that is added here will appear when a user goes to start a new ticket in the Department drop-down menu. This is a great way to keep your support tickets sorted and also for making sure a customer's message gets to the right people who are most qualified to help them. Next, on the third step of help desk setup, you can add as many categories as you want into a wiki. Then you can write articles within these categories. You can also create as many supported products as you want here. These are quite different from products that you have created in My Products in Kartra. These are actually the first layer that your customers will see when they enter the wiki. They will see a list of supported products to choose from, and then once they click one, they will see the categories associated with that product. The wiki articles themselves are under the categories. So the wiki will be organized something like this. Also, you can associate categories with more than one supported product, in which case those categories and articles will show up in more than one place in your wiki. As you can see, with Kartra help desks, you have plenty of options for directing your support customers to the right topic.
Each department is added automatically so that your customer can choose from the department they want their ticket to go to. And another cool thing that Kartra does is when they go to submit a ticket, it's going to take them to the frequently asked questions section first. And in doing so, they may actually get their question answered before they submit the ticket. This could save you a lot of time from going back and forth with a customer, and they get their questions answered instantly. That's another big advantage to Kartra. This is a great way to keep your support tickets sorted and also to make sure that a customer's message gets to the right people who are most qualified to help them. There's also a lot more you can do on the help desk function, but we're going to go over the basics in this video. So that's an overview of the Kartra help desk. I really like it. Like I said, I gave you some other options. If for some reason you can't use Kartra, I totally understand it. Check out one of those other options. Use one of those help desks. There's certainly a lot of other good ones out there. The only disadvantage is, of course, that you got to pay extra for these things. So if you have any questions about help desk or what we did in this video and the process we went through, feel free to put your comments below. Are you using a help desk now? How do you actually handle your customer interactions right now? Put your comments below. Now don't forget, if you haven't done so already, make sure you subscribe, and I look down at the bell, ring the bell. Okay, you got to ring the bell. You got to turn on all notifications once you smash that bell button. Super important. When you do that, I can actually tell you every single time I've got a new video available, and you'll even get an email because you'll be on the VIP list of people who get notified in advance. In addition to that, I also have that free e-commerce course I told you about. It's a $97 value. You can get it absolutely free. All you have to do is click the link below. You don't need a credit card. You don't need to watch any boring webinars. You just click and you get the training. It's that simple. There's nothing to buy, just good value for you to use in building your business. I thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget, grab your course. Don't forget, subscribe. Don't forget, turn on notifications, and I'll see you in the next video. Hey, thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that little bell right there so you can be notified every time I do a new video. Also, click on one of those videos there. Keep watching on my channel.